Modifier groups can either prompt immediately after entering an item or only appear when needed by using the function modify item. Immediately prompting is useful when certain selections must be picked, such as a steak with a meat temp or side choice. The header on the right shows what you're modifying. Under that, it shows if there's a selection requirement. This means you have to fulfill the selection amount before moving on. In this example, the number required is 1. If you can choose as many modifiers as you want, you'll see select until done. Meaning, you can select as many as you want, and then when you're finished, you'll tap the done button. Easily see all modifier groups attached to the menu item, so you're never blindly prompted with selections. The modifier group that you're currently on is highlighted in blue. You'll always see a red or gray stripe above the modifier choices. This is a quick visual reference to see if the modifier group is required or optional. Tap any of the tabs to go out of sequence. If you toggle out of the required modifier group without making a choice, you'll be returned back to the required group after you exit another screen to remind you that you need to make a selection. The tab also turns red as a reminder that you have not yet completed a requirement. The red buttons on the left are prefixes. Tap on a prefix and then a modifier. By default, no and sub removes the price. Depending on your settings, light, extra, or other custom prefixes may alter the standard modifier price. Tap on a modifier to delete it. You'll need to be on the correlating modifier group screen in order to delete or edit the selections. Meaning, if you try to delete the side of veggies while you're on the food prep screen, you'll be prompted to go to the correct modifier screen first. So, you'll need to tap on the sides modifier. 2 sides are required, so after deleting veggies, you'll need to choose a new side. Tap a modifier to change it for something else. The correlating modifier group is recalled. On the header, you'll see jalapenos. This confirms the modifier that you picked. Tap on a new selection. You'll only be able to make changes before the check is sent to the kitchen. From the virtual check, you can also delete a modifier without swapping it out for another modifier choice. Tap delete item and then tap the modifier. You'll only be able to delete modifiers before they're sent to the printers.